Namaskaram. I am so glad that I could make it up today and be part of this Dr. MGR Department of Culinary Arts. The students are extremely innovative, and you can see that there's a lot of glow in them, and that's probably because this university has got phenomenal infrastructure in terms of giving the best of the education in terms of hotel management. So my name is Seychelles. I am the Honorary Consul General for the country called Republic of Seychelles. Republic of Seychelles is a very small island country in the middle of Indian Ocean, and we have about 115 islands and close to 100 plus 5-star hotels are there. So there's an opportunity for these students to come and be part of our country called the Republic of Seychelles. So that's one of the probable types we wanted to do. And second most beautiful thing is that we wanted to connect the farm along with the young minds to make sure that they kind of understand the different cuisines of India, which is totally being forgotten. So if they could come to our farm, we'll give them the most fresh and the most organic kind of an ingredients which we can work as a partner in terms of making these children understand as to how these children should not forget the old cuisines. I wish you all the best, and may you all be flourish and glow like how you are, especially the handsome man. Thank you. Namaskaram to all of you.